What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Backyard Boys. In this episode, we're going to be covering a part that a lot of people have been asking me. How much can a car like this actually run you from an auction, and how much a car like this is actually worth? In this episode, we're going to be doing the full breakdown of how much all the parts cost me, how much the car cost me in general, before fees, after fees, and how much the estimated labor of a car like this with my labor costs. Before that, we got to wash the car because the car is extremely dirty. So let's get some beauty scenes and let's go. Alright guys, now that we got the car washed, it is looking absolutely gorgeous and I'm feeling great. I am ready to tell you guys how much I want the car for and what it was for shipping it here and the IAA auction fees. The initial winning fee for this vehicle was $37,225. That is the winning bid for this car. After fees, it was $38,203. That is after IAA auction fees. Don't forget that this car was across the country, so shipping it was expensive. It was $1,700 just to get it to my house. Now, let's go fill up, and I'll tell you guys how much all the parts were, and the paint, and all the material. Let's go. couple sends, couple pulls, show you guys what this thing has. 1 second. Downshift. This thing screams. That was like 85. We're in Mexico, so it's fine. There's no cops here. Taking people to Gap City right away. You literally cannot get enough of this car. This thing moves and it just surprises you every single time. There's no like, oh, I'm gonna get used to this power. There's absolutely none of that. Obviously 600 or 700 wheel horsepower, I have not dynoed yet, so I can't confirm on that. It's pretty darn wild for four-wheel drive. We're pulling up to our spot where we're gonna fill up. So let's fill up and I'll tell you guys the rest of the parts, how much they cost, and the labor, which I estimated, which my labor was free because I did it myself, but I did a calculation of how much labor would be if someone did it for me, and let me know what you guys think. Guys, now that we got the car filled up, I am happy. The car is clean, the car is filled up. We're gonna start going down with the price breakdown of all the parts that I bought for this vehicle. And I'm sorry I didn't organize all of them, so I'm just gonna start reading them down the list and we'll go from there. The quarter panel. This quarter panel was brand new from the dealership. I paid $1,735 for it. The front headlight was damaged, and some person on Instagram, I hit him up, he sells GTR parts and he hooked me up with a good deal. He gave it to me for $1,100. Alrighty, the door. The door was from eBay. No damage on this door, excellent condition, $1,200. Mirror, $330. The fender came from Japan. It was $870. This fender came in damaged. If you guys saw my previous videos, this fender did come in damaged, and it was damaged pretty bad. I got it all fixed up perfect. You can't see any damage on it, but unfortunately I didn't get any money back for it. Alright, these side skirts, I paid $500 for these side skirts. These side skirts were ordered with my Nismo front bumper. The bumper didn't fit, but the side skirts fit, so we left the side skirts on. Alright, let's keep going. I got a current airbag for the car. Current airbag was $330. Front bumper corner lights, these were $70, 70 bucks. Front fender moldings, right here. One piece and another piece. They are not cheap, they're $200 for those pieces. I ordered, when the car came from the auction, it had some missing interior pieces. I paid $200 for all the interior trim that was missing. Fog light. Front fog light was definitely not what I was expecting. I was expecting to be somewhere in maybe $70, $100 range. It turns out to be that this little fog light, I thought I could save it through the picture, but I couldn't save it. And that piece was not cheap. That was $520 for a used fog light. It was about $1,200 thing from dealer. Alright, let's keep going. I got a seat airbag for a steel deal. It was only $60, and then L&D Solutions actually hooked it up and did all the work for it. Shout out once again to L&D Solutions. I got a front bumper bracket that goes right over here. That was $40. I got a rear trunk latch, was $100. I'm guessing it was missing because the old owner had a carbon fiber trunk on here, and then when the car totaled out, he put the stock trunk on here. And then I bought a colored match bumper. As you guys saw in the previous videos, I bought this bumper and I did not paint it. That bumper was $2,200. That is not cheap, honestly. Let's keep going, we're almost done here. The material for the paint was $400. I got a really good discount on that. And then one more part, which was the shipping for the other bumper that came in wrong. I'm gonna add that in because these side skirts came with that shipping. So that was $370. In total, all the parts were $10,085. Don't forget, I paid for air suspension. Air suspension was $3,500. So if you add all that total in parts alone, this vehicle was $13,585. So let's add $13,585 to the total price of the car, which I paid for. That adds up to $53,688. That is the full amount I paid for this vehicle with air suspension, how it sits right now. But hey guys, don't forget that the labor on it is very expensive as well. So that is not including labor. Now, if you include my labor, I did a little bit of math here and there, and I estimated about 10 full 8-hour working days to get this thing done. For some people, it may be more, for some people, it may be less. I just did an average, and I got 10 days. So my time, I evaluate my time about 50 bucks an hour. So that's, I don't know, plus or minus, this is just a rough draft, but that equals $4,000 in labor work alone. So estimated this vehicle with labor was gonna be $57,688. That is the total for this vehicle. Let me know, guys, if that is a good deal, a bad deal. I don't know. I bought this car because I love it. I was not essentially looking to get the best deal out of it. But don't forget that it has a lot of mods. It has the Armatrix exhaust, the full bolt-on, and honestly, I'll probably do a full breakdown of the mods after I find out what it has on it. I want to get it dynoed and let you guys know all the numbers and everything. Comment down below, let me know if that's a good price for this car, or is that too much? If not, I mean, honestly, I don't really care because I enjoy this car and this thing is worth more than money to me. It's just a dream come true. Alright guys, that is going to be a wrap for this video. I appreciate all the love, all the comments, all the support. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications because we got a lot of wild projects coming. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.